In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to top up or reset your Exness demo account balance. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to set the virtual funds you need for practice and testing. Start by logging into your Exness personal area, either on the website or in the mobile app. Once you're in, head to the My Accounts section. Here, switch to the Demo tab. This is important. Make sure you're looking at demo accounts only. Demo funds are virtual and risk-free, while real accounts use actual money. Keeping them separate helps you practice without stress. Next, locate the specific demo account you want to top up. If you have several demo accounts, take a moment to pick the right one based on the account name, platform type, or currency shown. This helps you keep your strategies organized. Open the account settings. The way you do this depends on how your accounts are displayed. If you're using List View, look for the three-dot menu next to the account. If you're using Grid View, tap the account card itself or its settings icon. Either action will take you into the controls for that demo account. Choose the option labeled Set Balance or Reset Balance. The wording may vary slightly depending on the app or web version you're using, but both take you to the same place where you can adjust your virtual funds. This does not affect any real money accounts. Now, enter the amount you want. If you're topping up, type a higher number to increase your demo balance. If you want to simulate a tighter budget or recover from a testing drawdown, you can set it lower. Make sure the number is in the correct currency for that demo account. If you see an error, try a smaller amount or check that you've entered only digits without extra symbols. When you're ready, confirm the change by selecting Set Balance or Confirm. The update typically applies right away. If it doesn't appear immediately, refresh the page or revisit the account list to see the new balance reflected. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the Demo tab or the Set Balance option, update your app to the latest version or switch to the web version to try again. Remember, these controls are available only for demo accounts, not for real ones. Use demo funds to test strategies, learn platform features, and build confidence before moving to live trading. That's it. You've successfully adjusted your Exness demo account balance, and you're ready to practice with the amount that suits your goals.